myself Muskan and I again welcome you all in our English lectures. Now today in this lecture there is a beautiful chapter we are going to learn, and that is expert detective. Now expert means the person who is good at his work, right? And detective means a person who finds the information or gathers the information about a crime or about a person is called detective. So let's see in this chapter the guys who are there and what they are trying to find out as a detective, and let's find out whether they are expert or not. Now in this chapter there are main three characters. The three characters are Nishad, who is 7 years old, Maya, who is 10 years old, and the third one is Mr. Nath. So Nishad in this chapter is also called 7, not because of his age, but Nishad means the seventh note in the music. So that's why in this chapter 7 is also the name of another name of Nishad. So don't get confused. Nishad and 7 are one and the same person. So Nishad and Maya are brothers and sisters, and they both are curious about Mr. Nath. Now who is Mr. Nath? Mr. Nath is their neighbor, and these two brothers and sisters have totally different reaction about Mr. Nath. One says, like Nishad says, Nishad is having a soft corner about Mr. Nath. Nishad says that Mr. Nath is an ordinary man, whereas Maya is very confident about that Mr. Nath is a crook on a run. Crook means a criminal, means she is totally confident that Mr. Nath is a crook. Crook means criminal. Crook means criminal. So now one fine day they both keep on discussing, and they are having conversation between themselves that Nishad says that Nishad thinks Mr. Nath is poor, whereas Maya thinks Mr. Nath is a crook on the run. Means she is very confident that he is a crook on the run. Nishad doesn't believe him that he is a criminal because he is very simple and ordinary man. He doesn't talk much. So Nishad is very confident about him that he is a simple man. Now 7 used to think that he is so thin because he is poor and he maybe can't afford to eat. Now 7 used to think, 7 again I am telling, 7 means Nishad. Now Nishad used to think that Mr. Nath is very poor and he can't afford to eat. So that's why he is having a soft corner. Maya thinks, on the other hand, Maya thinks that he has millions of rupees and assures him that Ramesh brings him meal. Now Ramesh is a person who is downstairs and working in restaurant, and he assures that Mr. Nath is having 2 meals a day. Means daily he is having his duty that he brings 2 meals a day for Mr. Nath. And he doesn't work. Now Nishad says that he doesn't work at all. But if he doesn't work, then how he gets money and how he gets? So Maya on the other hand, defending his question, says he must have hidden money in his trunk. उसके पास आपको भले वो काम नहीं करता है, लेकिन I am definitely sure that he is having some hidden money, maybe gold, silver, or kind of a treasure trunk in his room. Now on this note, they both discuss, means you can see that they both are totally opposite about Mr. Nath. Now one day 7 got a chance to see Mr. Nath. Not to meet, just to have a peek on Mr. Nath. But on this note, Maya gets very annoyed because she also wanted to see Mr. Nath, but she doesn't get any chance. Why she wanted to see Mr. Nath? Because she was very curious. She was very curious to find out that who is actually Mr. Nath. So on this note, 7 was very upset. Now why was he upset? उसको Mr. Nath से मिलने मिला तो maybe वो बहुत खुश होना चाहिए, but no, Seven was totally upset over here. Why? Whereas Seven was upset with Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance, which made him sure that he was starving. Now Seven was very upset, means उसको बहुत Mr. Nath के लिए बुरा फील हो रहा था. Why he was feeling bad for Mr. Nath? Because of his gaunt appearance. Means Mr. Nath was very slim, very poor looking man. Gaunt appearance means thin looking appearance, we can say. Gaunt means thin. So now he was feeling very bad for Mr. Nath, that how he was very thin. Definitely he must be starving. जैसे हमारा कोई दोस्त होता है तो हम कैसे बोलते हैं कि नहीं ये इतना पतला है, मतलब उसको कुछ खाने को ही नहीं मिलता होगा. Same thing, same feeling he was having for Mr. Nath. He explained his sister how he went inside and trusted a bar of a chocolate. Now he explained to his sister that उसको इतना बुरा फील हो रहा था that he knocked this door and he quickly trusted a bar of a chocolate in his hand. Quickly उसके हाथ में वो एक चॉकलेट का बार थमा देता है. उसको ऐसा कि उसके पास खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. Now, did you get a chance? Now, on this note, she was very curious to know that did you get a chance to peek into his trunk? Now, what trunk? As Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is having a trunk in his room, in that he is having very treasures like gold and silver. So he asked Nishad that whether you get a chance to peek in his trunk. Suddenly he smiled because he went down to the restaurant and was able to talk to Ramesh. Now Ramesh is a person who brings regular meals to Mr. Nath. Means regular 2 meals, like one in the morning and one in the evening. Now he is a person who goes regularly to meet Mr. Nath. So Seven got a chance to talk to Mr. Ramesh about Mr. Nath. So let's see what the information Ramesh gave about Mr. Nath. Now he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath, 2 cups of coffee. Now he takes 2 meals. Who is he over here? Ramesh. Now Ramesh takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath, one in the morning and one in the evening, and also 2 cups of tea. Same thing, one in the morning and one in the evening. He is not particular about food. He is not, means here they are talking about Mr. Nath. Ramesh says that Mr. Nath is not particular about his food. Now what does that mean? But जैसे हमको होता है हम आज ये खाएंगे या आज मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. So he was not particular about. He is having daily same food like dal, chawal and 2 roti sabji like this. He pays cash and tips well. Now Mr. Nath pays cash, and whatever means lunch he is getting, he pays cash, and also he gives tips to Ramesh. Tip means you can say that we give to money in as a thanks for your service, right? Now Ramesh also says that there was a regular visitor on every Sunday. He was tall, fair, stout and wears specs. Now here Ramesh says that there was a regular visitor on Mr. House on Sunday, and he was tall, fair and stout and wears specs. And he says that as Mr. Nath doesn't talks very much, but that visitor, whenever he comes to his house, he talks very much. Means that visitor he talks too much to Mr. Nath. But whereas Mr. Nath is not very spokeable person, means वो किसी से ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते. Now Maya was very happy, she was very happy to know that Nishad has got very much progress in his inquiry about Mr. Nath. Now she says, well done Nishad, and he congrats him for the progress with their inquiries. We will start the flag like expert detectives so that we can track the truth. Now here they started calling themselves expert detectives. Why they were started? Because they were getting noted down the facts about Mr. Nath, like expert detectives, and we can track the crook. Now Miss Maya was very confident, so she also stated there that we can trap the crook. 7 said, how can you imagine him as a crook? He is such an ordinary man. Now 7 was, as he was having a soft corner for Mr. Nishad, so he stated that how can you imagine him as a crook? He is such an ordinary looking man. Maya defends and says criminal can also look ordinary. So Maya defends his statement and he says that there are many criminals who can also look ordinary. Now, one fine day, Maya and Nishad, as their school was about to reopen, but it doesn't reopen because of the rain. So they were observing as their school was observing holidays. So they were just lying in the room. Nishad was lying on his bed and reading a book, whereas Maya was on his table and she was about to note all the facts. She said that I will make this time useful and I will note down all the facts about Mr. Nath. Means हमने अब तक जो भी Mr. Nath के बारे में प्रोग्रेस की है, मीन Mr. Nath के बारे में हमने अब तक जो भी जानकारी ली है, so I will keep noted down all this facts. So she started noting down in his book all the facts. So she noted about 9 facts about Mr. Nath. So let's go through that. First fact, his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Now Mr. Nath, as Mr. Nath is a surname, you all know. So Mr. Nath is a surname. So they wanted to know that what is the name of the Mr. Nath. उनका first name क्या है? So they both were talking. Nishad says that do you think that Mr. Nath is a real name of Mr. Nath? क्या वो उनका real name है? तो Maya on that note says that maybe not, because there are many crew who keep their alias. Alias means alternate name. Alias means you can say alternate name. So there are many crooks, means there are many criminals who keep their alternate name. Now, fact number 2. The tenants at the Shankar house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. Now, tenants means the people who live on the rent. Means they are not having their own house, they live in the rent on other people's house. So, tenants, again, we can say people who live on rent. Now tenants mean the people who live on the rent. Now tenants who were living in the Shankar house, they used to think that Mr. Nath is very unfriendly. Fact number 3, he does not talk to anyone and he is mannerless, means as he doesn't talk to anyone. So they were thinking that he is mannerless. 4th, fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. Fact number 5, he is been living in a room in room number 10 for more than a year. From more than a year means वो room में जिस room में वो रहते थे वो then he was living in that room from more than 1 year. He doesn't work and sits in the room for all day. This is fact number 6. He doesn't work means they are saying that he doesn't have any work to do and he is sitting all day in his room. Fact number 7. The kids in the Shankar house and even grown-ups means can say जो बड़े लोग हैं वो भी are scared about Mr. Nath. Means he has no visitor except a Sunday visitor. Sunday visitor which I have mentioned, that tall, fat and that man who wears specs. 9. Food and the tea are taken in his room. Now food and tea are taken in his room means वो घर रूम से बाहर भी नहीं निकलता है इतना. Food और tea जो है वो उसके रूम में ही पहुंचाया जाता है through Ramesh. Now these are the 9 facts which she noted down in his book and she asked Nishad that whether you want to read, whether you want me to go through all this or whether you want me to add in this thing and add in this note anything else. मीन्स शी आस्क्ड कि क्या इसमें कुछ और हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, या यू मे थिंक दैट आई हैव फॉरगॉटन टू राइट एनीथिंग. So after stating all these facts, Maya asked Nishad if she has forgotten something. Nishad says, "Poor man, he must be." So means he was not listening to her properly. So on the other hand, he was feeling very bad about Mr. Nath. He says that Mr. Nath is a poor man. He must be lonely. He doesn't have any friends. As we mentioned that he has only one friend. That Sunday visitor who comes regularly on Sunday. So he says that he has only one friend. He must be very lonely. He was feeling very bad about Mr. Nath. He is saying that poor Mr. Nath. Now they discuss again. Now they come in their mind. The thought come about that Sunday visitor. They were discussing about in their mind that who is actually that Sunday visitor. आखिर वो कौन है? तो Maya says that he must be his partner in crime, means he must have accomplice in crime. Accomplice, again I am saying accomplice means partner, means accomplice in crime, means partner in crime. So maybe he is having all the loot, and on every Sunday he comes to Mr. Nath and he gives his share. Maybe Maya stated over there because she was very confident that Mr. Nath is a crook on the run. Nishad gets very angry on his note. If you want to insist that Mr. Nath is a crook, then there is no point of discussion over there. So Maya says that if you think that Mr. Nath is not a crook, he is an ordinary man, then what is the point of me writing all this theory? That if he is an ordinary man, तो means ये सब हमको उसके बारे में जानने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. That what do you want to know? What are you curious about Mr. Nath? So he says that I want to know that why he is such a lonely person, that why he is such a unfriendly person. उसके कोई friend क्यों नहीं है? मैं उनका friend बनना चाहता हूँ. So that's why Nishad was very curious. He wanted to be friend of Mr. So on this note, Maya says, you want to be the friend of Mr. Nath? Now he is a crook. So when police will come to me, take him, he will also take you also in the jail. So Nishad gets totally angry on this note. That how you can every time be confident that he is a crook on the run. Now here when these both two brothers and sisters are discussing, they got the discussion on them, and Nishad got angry and he lives in room. Now Maya talks to herself and she says that my theories doesn't have any impression on him. Means जो सारी उसने वो facts note किए थे उसका कोई भी उसके ऊपर impression ही नहीं पड़ा. Means उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा, because he was sure that Mr. Nath is an ordinary man, whereas Maya was sure on the other hand that he is a crook. Now here our chapter ends. Now we haven't find out that what actually Mr. Nath is, because here our chapter ends and they both ended the discussion over there. They haven't find out ahead that what actually Mr. Nath is. Thank you and have a nice day.